The story of Mr. Circle. Hello, I am Mr. Circle. I am round in shape. There are more things that look just like me. Would you like to come and see more things that look just like me? Come, let's find out. Mr. Circle goes out. He looks around. There are many cars and bicycles on the road. Oh, look! The tires of cars and bicycles are just like me. They are round in shape. Mr. Circle goes ahead. He finds a man selling balloons. Oh, look at that! The balloons are just like me. They are round in shape. Now Mr. Circle sees a boy playing with a ball. Oh, that ball too just looks like me. The ball is bouncing. The ball is rolling round and round. Oh, it's just like me. Now Mr. Circle enters into the beautiful garden. Oh, how lovely the garden is. There are beautiful flowers all around. Oh, I can see some ladybugs. See, look what I found. There are small round spots on the ladybugs. And it's just like me. Wow! Mr. Circle looks up. He sees a bright shiny moon. Oh, that looks just like me. Is the moon. Round and round is the moon. In the morning, Mr. Circle looked up at the sky. He saw the sun. And the sun was just like him. Round and round is the sun. Mr. Circle have lost us fun. Did you enjoy the story, everyone? Bye. This is a circle. It has no sides. It's round in shape. It is closed from everywhere. Tire, ball, ladybug, moon, Mr. Sun, clock, donut, they all are circle in shape. Keep revising. Allah Hafiz.